If you want to get your hip movements in Kizomba and Tarashinya looking smoother, more grounded, a bit less awkward, and definitely more sensual and feminine, then I've got 3 essential hip variations that I'm going to show you today in this video, and you don't want to miss them. And they're not just movements, they're ways that you can step into your feminine power and look irresistible on and off the dance floor. So let's get into it. So let's jump right into the first movement. It's something that I call step and circle. So we're going to step 1 on 2. We've set that hip back. We're kind of like in a mini squat. So you step and sit the hip back in a mini squat. 2, 1, 2. Then we take the hips, the opposite hip, the left hip back. So you want to send the hip backwards. Send the hip backwards and then around to the outside to neutral. So I send it backwards and I circle it round back into neutral. Then I change my weight. 5, sit down into it. 6, circle. 7, 8. So we need to get good on those 2 sides, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our posture is really important, that we're up straight, shoulders back, and that because our posture and our presence is one of the things that kind of radiate that softness, that feminine energy as we do that. So one more time, follow along with me. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you're really working this part of your body and you're not using all of your upper body as well. Yes, it looks very different when we isolate the movement. So that's variation 1. Variation 2 goes a little something like this. And all of these, being able to do all these different variations really helps with your body control and body awareness. So the next one, we're stepping as we did before, 1, 2. This time, instead of us sending our hips on like the horizontal plane, we're going to send it up and over like in a semicircle. So we're going to send this left hip up and over and back the other way. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make sure you flow that energy to the other side, and then we're stepping 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each point of that semicircle is going to be 1 count. One more time together. 5, 6, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we really want this continuous movement as we're doing this. Up and over. Step and up and over. Step, up, and when you do over, bring it to this hip and sit into it. Step, up and over, sit. Step, up and over, sit. That's variation 2. If you want to dig deeper into your solo movement and unique style, then my Kizomba Beginners course, Unlock Your Sensual Flow, is going to be right for you. Click the link in the description box to get access to that course and use the code SENSUAL10 for an exclusive 10% off. The third variation is like, I think, the most playful one. So if you're definitely someone who likes to show that playful energy, playful and feminine, this one's definitely going to be for you. And it requires more isolations of the hips. If you haven't watched the video I've done on accents of the hips up and down, I'll leave a link to that below. That's a very good video to watch to be able to isolate those hips correctly. So we're going to go here, 1, 2, and then we're going to go 3 and 4. So I'm going and 3 and 4. So I lift on and, I drop on 3, I lift on and, I drop on 4. We're still doing the semicircle variation. So that upwards movement. 3 and 4, then I drop down 5, 6 as normal. We go 7 and 8. So you want to go and lift, 7, lift on and, drop 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Remembering to smile in all the variations. I'll do it from the front, all together from variation 1 to 3, and I'll do it from behind as well. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6. Here we go. And variation 1, circle, step, and circle. Variation 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last one. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I hope you really got those hips loose working. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a like. Comment which kind of videos you want to see more of, which kind of tutorials, things that you struggle with that you would love to see more of, and I'll make those videos for you. Share with a friend so that they can elevate their hip presence and get into that magnetic flow and energy. I've been Christina of Mckiztosh Dance, your confidence through dance coach, and I'll see you in the next video.